What if I say you can realistically generate up to $500 every day in passive income within 3 to 6 months by self-publishing done-for-you books on Amazon Kindle? Hello, hustlers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll explore every aspect of another promising AI tool named AMZ Automator, a software that lets you upload completely done-for-you books on Amazon KDP and earn passive income daily. No writing, no design, no promotion, just publish and profit. Features, the fascinating and too good to be true claims of the tool are strongly backed by a stock of unbeatable features. Here's how. Upload and profit ebooks. Upload done-for-you ebooks to Amazon KDP, no writing, design, or formatting needed. Earn every day. Make $25 to $50 per publish. Upload unlimited books and stack commissions daily. Zero experience needed. No tech skills, no audience, no design work. Just upload and start earning. Passive income sorted. Set it up once and keep getting paid daily. Even absolute beginners are reaching peak figures in 3 simple clicks. Step 1. Choose and upload. Pick a done-for-you ebook and upload it directly to Amazon KDP. No writing, no designing. Step 2. Publish and go live. Hit publish and list your ebooks in front of millions of Amazon buyers. Step 3. Profit daily. Earn $25 to $50 commissions per sale. Upload 10 and make a $500 commission daily. Totally depends on you. The best part? The app is priced at just $17. A one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund. No questions asked. So, is AMZ Automator worth a shot? If you want to earn passive income by uploading done-for-you ebooks to Amazon Kindle and make up to $500 daily on autopilot, then AMZ Automator is the tool to launch right now. Anyways, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So, if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.